Verily, with hardship comes ease. Quran 94-5. And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out. Quran 65-2. And Allah is the best of planners. Quran 8:30. Do not lose hope, nor be sad. Quran 3-139. Whoever has faith in Allah and the Last Day, let him speak good or remain silent. Hadith. The best among you are those who have the best manners and character. Hadith. Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. Quran 2-286. The reward of deeds depends upon the intentions, and every person will get the reward according to what he has intended. Hadith. O you who have believed, seek help through patience and prayer. Indeed, Allah is with the patient. Quran 2-153. Allah is with those who are patient. Quran 8:46.